Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can see recently watched videos on YouTube. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open YouTube application, and then you simply need to log in into your account and click on your profile picture on the top right. So once you are here, you simply need to click on your data in YouTube and it will redirect you to the Chrome browser, and here you need to scroll down, and here you can see YouTube watch history. Scroll down again and click on manage your YouTube watch history. So here you can see all your YouTube watch history like this, and if you want you can go on to the specific date from here as well. You can search any term if you want that you watch, and from here you can go on to the specific date, this. Okay, and it will show you the specific date history. So here you can see that. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.